The computer is an electronic machine. It can work fast and accurate than human beings. The parts of a computer can be classified into three units. They are input unit, central processing unit, CPU, and output unit. In this session, we are going to learn the central processing unit and the output unit. Output unit. The output devices are used to get the output or results from the computer, maybe pictures, sounds, printouts, etc. The important output devices are monitor, speaker, and printer. Monitor. It is the visual display unit of a computer. It shows the work done by the computer. There are three types of monitors: CRT monitor, LCD monitor, and LED monitors. Speaker. Speaker helps us to hear the voice, music, and sounds from the computer. Printer. Printer is used to take printouts of documents, pictures, graphs, etc. The documents you typed appears on the screen of the computer. The different types of printers are laser printer, inkjet printer, and dot matrix printer. Plotter. Plotter is used to take printouts of large drawings and graphics. It is mainly used in advertising fields for getting large pictures. CPU. The central processing unit or CPU is the most important part of a computer. It is also known as the brain of the computer. It is a processing unit and it controls all calculations in the computer. The CPU is logically divided into three parts. They are arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, and memory unit. Arithmetic and logic unit ALU. All the arithmetic and logical operations are performed by this unit. Addition, subtraction, comparisons, etc. are some examples for arithmetic operations. Control unit. The control unit is the most important part of CPU. The control unit or CU controls and coordinates the activities of other units such as ALU, memory unit, input and output devices, etc. Memory unit. The memory unit is the storage place of a computer. The data of each and every program is stored in the memory unit. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data in a computer. Storage devices are mainly classified into two types. They are primary storage devices, secondary storage devices. Primary storage device. RAM is the primary storage device. It stores the primary data for working a computer. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Secondary storage device. All other storage devices like hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. are secondary storage devices. Hard disk. Hard disk is the secondary storage device of a computer and it is placed inside the CPU. All programs and operating systems are stored in it. External hard disks are portable and can store large amount of data. CD or compact disc. CDs are used in computer as a portable secondary storage device. It is also called CD-ROM. It can hold 700 MB of data and is a safer storage device. The data is stored on its shining side. DVD or digital versatile disc. DVD, also known as digital versatile disc, is an optical disc storage media. DVD is the same dimension of a compact disc but stores more than 6 times of its data. Normally, it can hold 4.7 GB of data. Pen drive. Pen drive is a small sized portable storage device that can be used to transfer files easily between computer systems. It is available in different storage capacity and styles. Memory card. Memory card is also known as memory stick. It is small in size but it has large storage capacity and easy to handle. Nowadays, most of the people use memory cards in their mobile phones.